Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to digitalize your work or vectorize your work using your phone and if possible a stylus. In this video, this is the artwork that we'll be digitalizing today. So I chose a ribbon lettering because I wanted to show you how to give the variations in your digital work as well. But if you choose lettering, the normal style, you may just have to fill in all your letters and smoothen it, and that should work. For this tutorial, we'll be digitalizing it in a way that we darken the front portions of the ribbon, and for the back portions we'll just give an outline. So this is how we'll be digitalizing further in the video. To follow along, all you need is the Adobe Capture app and the Adobe Photoshop mix. That should be enough for you to go ahead. You do not need to have a scanner or any other tools. If possible, if you get a stylus, it will be easier for you to work around. So it has a curved end. This should work. All the minor fixes that we'll be doing with the with your digital work, we'll try to do it with this. If you do not have a stylus, it's fine. You can try and manage using your fingers itself. So yeah, I'll be moving to the screen recorded version of how I digitalize this on my phone. The same apps are available even on iPhone, but I'll be showing here on an Android. So yeah, let's move to the video. So first I will go to this app called Adobe Capture. So here you can either take a photo of your work or you can go to your gallery and select the artwork that you want to use. So for this video I'll be taking a picture of my work, and you have to click on shapes down below here, and you can drag this dragger so that you can see your work clearly. So the portion that is black is the one that's going to be vectorized. So if you take it really light, you might find outlines. So if you're going for this look to get just the outline of your work, this should be fine. But I will keep it a little dark, but not too dark. Like, yeah, this should work for me. And I will click on the capture button. Yeah, so now we need to remove all the extras that are around. So I will first crop this. It'll be easier if you crop it first because we do not have to sort the rest. Alright, so this should be fine. Now we have done cropping. I'll click on the refine now. Now to refine, there are two options below. One is the eraser, one is the pen to fill in whatever has to be vectorized, and there is a undo button here. So first I will use the eraser and remove all the extras that are around. For tiny places like these, you can zoom in and remove it. If you remove something by mistake, you can always click on the undo function and do it again. Alright, so now I have done the erasing part. Now click on the eraser button again so that it goes back to the menu. Now I click on the pen. So if I do not fill this in, it will have this rugged look. So I'm filling up the letters. If you have done vectorization before, you would know that to vectorize your work or digitalize your work, you would have to scan your work and create shapes and smooth the ends, and yeah, there's a lot of process involved. This is one of the most easiest technique that I'm showing you, and you do not need any high-fi software around. You can use Adobe's apps and they're absolutely free. The desktop versions you have to pay or get a certified one. There's a 1 month trial available if you'd like to try it out, but yeah, I prefer the phone because yeah, it's free and you can it's easier to do it over here without any technical expertise. You can reduce the pen size in critical places so that you don't smudge over your entire work. You also do not have to be super careful about getting the edges smooth, because in the next step we can you just have to click on how smooth you want and it will do it for you. So all you need to do is fill up your letters so that there are no white spaces, or yeah, you can experiment how it looks even without doing this, but it looks smooth when you fill in the letters, and it actually looks like it's been done really professionally on an editing software or so. So yeah, since I have done a ribbon lettering here, I'll try to keep this effect when I vectorize it too. So suppose you miss some place, you can still come back to this and do it again. You can also save your progress and do it later as well. Now I have completed the front portions, and for the back portions of the ribbon, I'm going to remove the center lines, this pattern. Okay, so alright, so now we have done this completely. If you still want to crop, you can go here, you can click on smooth and switch it on, and it has smoothened out the edges for you. If you feel like I feel that I should join these again, you can go to refine and click on the pen and you can draw over it. So you can go ahead and make little fixes to your letters. It will be easier if you have a stylus. At first I was doing it with hand and it was really getting tough, so I went ahead and got a stylus to make it better. So yeah, if you're not happy with the outcome in the smooth, you can again redo some of it. Alright, this is a lot better. It looks pretty good. You can still fine-tune it, but for this tutorial I'll stop right here. I'll click on next and I'll save this. Okay, so you can either save it in you have to save it in My Library, create your Adobe account. Yeah, it's all free of charge. You do not have to pay for anything. You can just register and sign into these apps, and then yeah, once you have done this and you click on save. Alright, so the first part is over. So now we'll go to this app, Adobe Photoshop Mix. Now we will import our project from the CC library, and whatever we edited will be found here. Now you click on open. We need a new background for this, so I'll click the plus button. From your device, pick up a picture for your background. So So this is the background I am going for. Alright, so there's this website called freepik.com, and here you will find a wide variety of pictures, like say art desk. You'll find a lot of pictures that you can use for your background, and these are copyright free, so feel free to pick any picture. You can download these, unzip the file, and yeah, and you can import into your projects. Right, so now I have this background imported, and here is our lettering. So I will bring this to the top so that our letters come over the this image. So now if you see, you will find that your letters have a white background, and the background is a slightly has a rugged white. And so we'll click on this blend, and there are different ways of blending, either darken or multiply, and yeah, there are so many different ways. I am going to choose multiply, and I'll click on OK, and you can click on the right top corner to see it in full screen. So this is how it looks. Yep. Click on the share button over here, and you can save to your gallery. So yep, so this is the final image, and we are done vectorizing our work. It is really amazing to see that you can digitalize your work and make amazing digital art. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do consider subscribing to my channel to see more of lettering content. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.